Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to stop downloading images from WhatsApp. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. So first we need to go to WhatsApp. After that go to any conversation and here click on name of our chat. Here we need to scroll down and click save to camera roll and click never. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and put your likes. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye everyone, see you later.